Okay guys, welcome back to Squirrel Pursuit, the LOMAX boys. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be testing out the penetration of two different arrows, shooting it out of a recurve bow. So, our first arrow here, it's like a gold arrow, and it is thicker than this one. So this one is a little bit heavier too, and it's got plastic fletchings right there. So that's the first one. For the second one, it's a little bit more of a thinner one, and it's got feathered fletchings at the end. They're the same length, so we're gonna just be seeing which one is gonna penetrate the target more. So this is gonna be interesting, because I don't know for sure which one is gonna work the best. Let's see. Okay guys, so this is the bow that we're gonna be using. It's a recurve bow, and so this is what we're gonna be shooting the target with. Okay, and here's the target we're gonna be using. It says Block Black, history's toughest target. Okay guys, this is a scam, okay? Williams crossbow goes right through this. This is not history's toughest target. There's a lot more tougher ones than this. Okay guys, so you can probably see the target there. First up, we have our gold arrow that we're gonna be using. So we have gold first. So I'm just gonna take this and put it in the bow, just like that. And you're not gonna really see me shoot, but I'm gonna shoot. I'm only like 5 yards away from this. Oh, it just went right off the target. Okay, that is not good. So now we're gonna use our feathered one. So this is an opportunity right now. I wonder if the target's frozen. That's what I'm wondering. Okay, so this is ready to go. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna bring you up to it. The first arrow just deflected right off the target. I'm not sure if this thing is like frozen or what. Okay, so here's the first one. As you can see, there's like no penetration. Just take this out. Set this up. I'm not sure why that just deflected. So I'll keep my finger where it was. Oh yeah, okay. So this is what we're with here. So we got like that much from my camera's spinning. Okay, so this is what we have. So from my finger to the tip is how much penetration. And for some reason, this one just deflected off. And now the arrow's like bent. For some reason. It's not a very good arrow. But we're gonna have to try this again. So for test number one, definitely the feathered one worked the best. Let's go to test two. Okay guys, test two. We're gonna use the gold arrow. I actually might need to bend it a little bit because I don't want a bent arrow flying out of the bow. It might actually hit me. Okay, better. I'm gonna put this in, and we're gonna use the gold first again. Let's see if it'll actually hit in the target this time. Okay, so that time it did. It went in. And I'm just gonna get my feathered one now. Here we go. Okay. So they're both in the target. Okay, so just by seeing this, you can tell that the feathered one went in a lot farther, and you can still see that this arrow is bent right in the middle. So that means that this has won this round too. So we have one more round. So this one's winning so far. Okay guys, last round. Let's see what we can do. Gold first again. Oh my goodness. It just keeps spinning. Like it starts going straight and then it'll like veer right every time. And the feathered one is the last one. Okay. So they're both in. Let's see what we got here. Okay. So definitely the feather again. The feathered one. This one, like, this is not good. It started out going straight, and then it went, like, that way. That's right. So, okay, so we can see for sure that the feathered one is a better arrow than the gold one. Okay guys, so this is what I have to say. If you're going to choose an arrow, always go for feathered arrows because they always fly better. So don't use those because you're not going to be successful. You might be, but the chances are pretty small. So here we are. This is the winner, the feathered one. Definitely a better arrow. So sorry guys that we haven't had like a video uploaded on this channel for a little bit. We just had some stuff going on, and we were actually starting up a new channel too. So we'll put the link in the description of our new channel that we made. It's focused on sports, so if you guys are sports people, be sure to check that channel. It's going to be in the description. Thank you guys for watching.